So I understand that the way I say that decide and have it now, and all it takes is a decision to shift into your desired reality, may sound abstract, right? And in my coaching practice and uh, talking with you guys, I understand that due to us living in the 3D consciousness for so long, we want action steps, we want processes, we want to know how do I do this. And recently I had a call and where they said something like, is a decision enough, really? And so that got me an idea which I have been using all along, and now I can conceptualize it nicely because it has given me all my success, to be honest. Because here's the thing, now due to social media and overabundance of information in this day and age, it is very hard for people to just accept what they have done in imagination. They go online immediately and they see all these different conflicting ideas and all this, and they just go into alpha state where they are just absorbing it without even noticing it, and they get brainwashed. And so back to the idea, like this idea that I have had, which I have done, which has granted me almost all my success, which is, I understand that you guys are like, okay, I imagined it, now what? I affirmed it, now what? I did that, now what? Well, to ease your mind and to effortlessly live in your end or stick to your desired reality, I want you to formulate an anchor statement. So what is this anchor statement? It is just an affirmation, but this is a more specific affirmation that anchors you into your desired reality, no matter what is happening around you, right? Let's say you have done the imaginal act, you have done the scripting, you have done the processes, but you are getting anxious now. You are seeing the opposite of what you don't want to see, opposite of what you want, right? Reality is showing you the opposite. Again, from my example, when I was buying the flat in Russia and everything went south, right? Everything failed. So those moments, in that moment when everything went south and the bank told me no, totally refused, we cannot help you, I was infuriated, I fought with them, I was angry. Basically all the what you guys say, oh, I have these emotions, I feel terrible, they texted me, no, it's not gonna work out, they broke up with me, I did not get the job, I got rejected. By the way, in one of my videos, one of my viewers applied this principle and they commented that they got admission into PhD in some university, and initially they got rejected, and they remembered my affirmation where I said, I am with my vision and the vision is complete, and they repeated that, and voila, in second list, in the waiting list, their name appeared and they got accepted. And a chain reaction is happening. I am sharing success stories and more are coming, and recently one of my members recently got upgraded in their hotel booking and got the luxurious booking, and maybe they will comment under this video and explain to you what exactly happened, but yeah, they got this success story as well. And so I love your success stories, please send them to me via email, comments or whatever. Anyway, so this anchor statement, I just told you the anchor statement, right? When everything blew up in my face when I was buying the flat, I came to this forest, I walked, and I first of all let my emotions be felt. I cursed everybody because I was really angry and pissed. But after that, the whole thing, when I could feel that I am calming down and I'm stable, I said, I don't give an F, I'm still with my vision and my vision is complete. What is my vision? I saw myself walking in the flat, right? That I am the owner of the flat. That was my vision. And when I said my vision is complete, what did that imply? It implied that My vision has it's complete, it has the pathway towards fulfillment because it's complete, so there must be a pathway there, right? So basically everything is figured out by my higher self and I don't need to do anything, it's already complete. And I kid you not, after that, in 3-4 about a week, basically I got the money the next day, and then by another way I got an intuition that I should do that, and I did that, and I got the money in a couple of days, and in a week basically I was in my new apartment. And so for you, devise an anchor statement, right? Now this PhD they just used my anchor statement, but you could make anything, right? In SP situation, for example, you could say, oh, but we are blissfully married, so I don't care, right? We are blissfully married and we are living together wherever, right? I used to say I am blissfully married to, I would insert the name of my wife, and we're living happily together in Russia with ease, harmony and comfort and love. So, or you're trying to look for a house or buying a house, you're like, oh, but I already have the perfect house. It is so wonderful, right? Some statement, just one simple statement that immediately anchors you into your desired reality. And you don't need to repeat it like a parrot. I'm not talking about robotic affirmations. This is not even an affirmation. It's you speaking as though you are in your desired reality already, right? You're saying it is already a fact now, right here, right now. It's a fact. You are fulfilled. And that statement immediately, whatever you see, maybe you see the absolute opposite of what you want. In that moment, you guys are like, what should I do now, right? So do just this simple thing, right? You don't have to conjure up an emotions or feelings. If you feel nothing, fine. You just use it as your authority and claim your desired reality in that moment and say, no, because everything is my choice, because I am a deliberate creator, because I create my own reality, because I take full accountability and ownership of my reality, I choose this, right? Everything is a choice anyway, so might as well I choose this. So use this anchor statement, and it really is effortless, right? What seems like an effort is we battling with our emotions and trying to feel better, right? We try too hard to feel better, because Neville, I understand a lot of you guys come from Neville Gordon and listening, the feeling is the secret and you must feel it real. Neville did not mean emotions. He was talking about the fact, acceptance of the fact that your wish is already fulfilled. Well, what better way to claim your reality by using an anchor statement? It's literally the acceptance of the fact that your desired reality is real and it's manifested, it's done. So you say, I'm with my vision and the vision is complete. What does that imply? It implies whatever you have envisioned is done, is complete. And so you use this statement and it is effortless. It becomes difficult when you start battling with emotion and when you doubt your anchor statement as well. Again, you don't need to try to believe it. You just need to understand why reality works, why reality creation works, and how reality works. And when you understand that everything is a choice, you can choose the negative and you can choose the positive. So when you say, oh, I cannot live in mind, you're already living in the end of not having it, right? You're choosing to live in the end of not having it. When you fear it, when you doubt it, what are you doing? You are putting your faith in the opposite. Fear is just negative faith, right? So if everything is a choice, why not choose to live at the end of what you want? You have a choice, right? So there is it's not even about trying to believe it and trying to conjure up emotions and faith. No, it's a choice. You understand how reality works and you're choosing what you want anyways. And that is how this anchor statement makes it effortless. You don't need to repeat it. Whenever thought about your desired reality come to your mind, just say that, right? You are having a coffee and all of a sudden you think, oh, my SP hasn't texted me back or anything. You're like, no, we are blissfully married and we are happily living together. So why am I even thinking about that, right? You apply for a job or you have a business and clients are not coming. Recently, literally, I shared a success story of a person who did not get clients, and it was getting late in the month, and that's not normal for them. They watched my video and they decided, no, I'm getting my clients, and they imagined it, and in 1 hour they got it. So you say, no, I have my business is booming, clients are coming, they're showing up, and everything is fantastic, right? In that moment you choose that, and you drop it. Whenever the thought, for example, whatever you want, the thought about it comes to mind, just use your anchor statement to anchor back into what you want rather than what you see. You don't need to imagine an elaborate scene, you don't need to repeat it like a parrot, you don't need to conjure up feelings. And it's basically understanding that I am the operant power, this is how reality works, everything is a choice. So I choose to anchor back into my desired reality with my anchor statement. It really is effortless. Now don't mistake it for the fact that you will not feel anything, right? We have this misconception that once we know the law of assumption, we become like we should become stoic and we have no negative emotions and there is no negativity. This is a human experience. We will have full range of human emotions. In those emotions, it is again back to your choices. This is why I'm giving you the anchor statement, right? In the storm of emotions, first of all, you just feel them. You don't need to identify with them. They're just emotions. They're not real. You are the reality, right? Emotions are just an experience. It's when you identify with them that they become overpowering. But you don't need to do anything with it. You just feel them. If you feel like blowing your top in the moment, do it, right? As Naval Guard says, blow your top but sin not. After you have had expressed your emotion, or if you felt them, after that still say that I am in my desired reality and it is done. Or I'm with my vision and the vision is complete. Use your anchor statement to anchor back into your desired reality. And it is simple. It is that simple. I often get that question, is it really that? The law is simple, you are not simple. Your consciousness and your emotions and your entire personality is not simple, right? The law is very simple. It is the human complex that is extremely, extremely convoluted, erratic, and every person I meet is a whole universe in their consciousness. They are a completely different person. They look at the world completely differently. They have their own vantage point, their own beliefs, their own assumptions about the worldview and their own worldview. So you see, you are complex. The law is not. It is simple. So simplify yourself. Use the anchor statement. Simplify it down to basics, right? I don't need to feel anything. I don't need to do nothing. Feelings come fine. When you use anchor statement, you feel good, fantastic. But if you don't, that's not a deal breaker. It does nothing. And see the opposite, use the anchor statement. Nothing is happening, use the anchor statement. Everything is happening, still use the anchor statement. Claim it, choose it again and again, and it truly is the most effortless and easiest way of going about it. Again, it is simple, you are complex. Simplify yourself. And so, reminder that I am doing a live stream for public. Everybody can join on 3 May, Sunday. So I would love to see you there. And for those who want to work with me one-on-one, the link is in the description, or you can join the membership channel. And I do live stream there every Saturday, and more success stories are coming, and I'm going to share them, some of them here, some of them there. So join that if you're interested. And there was something else I wanted to share. Oh yeah, basically, if you have any success stories, any from watching my videos, from on the membership side or from the coaching, please send me an email, but write success story in the title of the email, so I know it's a success story, because I get a bunch of spam as well sometimes, which is annoying. But anyways, I love to read them, and if you want me to share them, you can say that yes, please share my. If you don't want me to share them, please explicitly say in the email that please don't share it, I'm just sharing it with you, and absolutely I will completely keep it private. And I almost never share your name anyways. So yeah, but it's a wonderful thing because a chain reaction is happening. The first success story that I shared has led to like already like 7, 8, even 10 success stories, and it just keeps on going, because when people see that somebody else has done it, all of a sudden it eases their ego, because ego is the biggest hindrance, right? It eases their ego, and they're like, if they can do it, why cannot I? And then just this entertaining the idea that why not, it happens, and they finally allow themselves to fall back into their desired reality. So use the anchor statement no matter what happens. If everything is working out, use it. If nothing is working out, use it. If you feel like a hot mess, use it. If you feel wonderful, still use it. And that shows you that you are in your desired reality regardless, and that shifts you, guaranteed. I know it from personal experience. Whenever I have stuck to my anchor statement, and this is what I have done unknowingly, every time I got what I wanted. So this is it for this video. Until next time, bye bye.